I'm working on a project called Auto AWTO. Yeah, sure, let's go and see. AWTO means for automatic workflow tracing and optimization for prescriptive MRO.
This is our web-based auto platform. We can run the application in a web browser from any device with a camera. These are sample parts to test the platform. In aircraft maintenance, the parts need to be identified for product verification.
I'm putting the part for the camera to identify it.
Our solution achieved 40% manpower savings and reduced the turnaround time by 50%.
We design a system with interactive continuous learning so that it can correct the mistakes and also improve the accuracy over time. People not in this field may think that it is very easy for the computer to recognize things because for human it is very easy, but actually for computer it may not be easy. It's quite difficult. We need to work hard to teach the computer. I think teaching the computer is more difficult because the human intelligence is actually very difficult to replicate. This enables easy deployment of the system without the need for AI experts in the factory.
This technology can also be used for visual search or identification of any 2D and 3D objects in other industry sectors.